5 o'clock in the morning, and we have completed the first 12 hours of second edition of Jade Day. It's time to have a check what our contestants are doing and wake them up.
तुमने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया। जिसने मन का दीप जलाया, दुनिया को उसने ही उजला पाया। जिसने मन का दीप जलाया, दुनिया को उसने उजला पाया। मत रहना अखियों के सहारे, जागो मोहन प्यारे, जागो जागो मोहन प्यारे, जागो नवयुग चूमे नैन तिहारे, जागो।
I just went to kitchen, grabbed some bread and grabbed some jam, butter, and came to my room and ate like I didn't see what I am eating. I just put it in my mouth and I closed my eyes and gulped it.
He prepared some egg and I was like, is this egg even half fried? He just came that way like, I'm not gonna eat it.
On. Where are the others? What are they wearing? Combined 15. Okay? But there's a condition. Okay? 2 of you have to do simultaneously. Okay? Simultaneous 15. Possible? Okay? Assume your position. Starting from team protocol.
We were first in every task. We used to go first, do the task, and most of the time we fail. Because we don't got the chance to see that what mistakes do we make. So that's how it goes. And we lost one outpass also to do that.
Okay? Yeah, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Six. Okay. This is your last attempt, okay? Because last attempt. You have to do the complete, or I will assume that you failed in it. 10.
Stick while doing push-ups, and the stick will be between his back and my back. So at a time we have to go down or go up. So we couldn't manage to balance that stick.
Because we were the first team, we were not able to make a strategy that how we have to do it. So we were doing it. So that was the basic issue that we faced. Most of the issues. So never go first.
Now what 10? Fine?
Then the jailer came and he gave us a drill. And in that drill, the team
We couldn't do the
Poison.
drill. Yeah, right.
The team Poison got our outpass because we were not able to do a task. So it was like we
my
should have used it. And then he was like, "Yeah,
The funda is if you have outpass, then please use it.
use it.
Don't keep it.
Don't
for
think
future.
that I would later use it."
You never know when the coin will turn your way. We lost one pass.
We lost one pass and we
Trying to break one more.
Nice stuff. Finally. Yes. We are going to eat now. Finally.
Now we are gonna cook Maggie and we're gonna have nice.
I'm waiting for the Ajit sir. And actually we did 30 push-ups, right? You can see my hands, yeah. Seriously. We didn't have bath. Nothing. Just 250 ml which is earned by yesterday.
We need to come out of this somehow. You go.
No, sir.
अरे वो भाव तेज भी भाव
getting worse. We're trying to manage.
I literally remembered my past when I was the same thing happened in my school days, where my principal was giving some speech in assembly and I was holding it. So that literally that picture passed on my eyes and I was not doing anything. I promised myself I won't do anything. I can't do anything unless I pass. So I was sitting idle and trying to think the how to crack the code. So I mean,
Actually-
thankfully we cracked and
Actually, I was feeling very bad for him because he was saying, "Yeah, I have to go," and I was like, "ये मुझे भी आया फिर बाद में." However, I was not having that much pressure, but I was thinking, "Yeah,
Seriously,
I know,
I
I
mean-
understand."
if you have to earn, you literally have to earn it. I mean, it was worth.
Gone in the washroom.
Taking some rest. That too, we had limited time. We had to cook fast. So somehow we tried to make it fast. I never expected that we'll complete it in 15 minutes, but we made it somehow. Finally, I got fresh. We don't have towel.
From yesterday, you have not gone to washroom.
No, we didn't. Actually, we didn't have anything much. No? That is our strategy. That is our strategy, not doing much things. So we don't need to go to washroom.
Don't feel like.
Then we drank water as well. We didn't drink water. We drank only that one Red Bull can. That's it.
Thing is like this. You can see it was my luck, or it was my destiny to get a partner who is having same thinking like myself. Like he was same like me, don't care for food, nothing. When we actually had bugs, we actually worked towards them. I used to ask him on particular interval, like, you are hungry, so we'll solve that puzzle. He's like, no yaar, we'll continue. So we used to continue, and we were having a good luck as well. Like in all drills, in every 4 hours, we used to get a free bonus pass. We got free bonus pass in almost every 4 hours. So it was our luck as well. Like, and who needs in every 4 hours food and water is enough.
Black Hawk. Where is the other one? Huh? उसको मिले disqualified. You had a code, right?
Yes.
Then
Very urgent has got maybe basically.
उसको बोल सकते थे.
Was pennies. Was pennies.
You can't bear it. Others, there are others also who have the same situation. Disqualified. You can close your laptops.
Sir.
Can't do anything. It's unfair on others' part.
नहीं सर थोड़ा 2 मिनट के लिए गया था सर.
So it doesn't
That
matter.
is only 2 minutes sir.
You could have asked him to send me the, or you could have just sent me our redeeming our. You had one code, right? You had one outpass with you, right?
Only for 2 minutes. Sorry sir.
punishment, sir.
I mean,
Please, sir.
this is the format. You're not allowed to.
Sir, sorry, sir.
Yes. Collectively.
Sir, please, sir, sorry, sir. One last chance, sir.
Sorry, I can't do it.
Sir,
It will be unfair. It will be unfair on others' part.
Sir, for
I mean,
2 minutes.
just get down. I will call everyone. Guys,
I will wait for sir, only 2 minutes, sir. Please, sir.
that's not legal. You go for 2 minutes or 20 minutes, I don't care.
That was my portion. Actually, that was a very pathetic condition for me. So I was in a very hurry. So I forgot to call him and as well as forgot to send a mail to the jailer. And as per the rule, I have to send a mail to the jailer as well as I have to tell my partner. So I got completed my complete bathroom work, and just jailer came with one stick and was.
He actually knocked the door and I just saw, oh, Sandeep is not there, what to do? Then I thought, what is going to happen now? Then he asked, where is Sandeep, where is the other guy? Then I showed the bathroom and he went and knocked the bathroom.
And I was out and I was completely out of focus what to say and what to do now. So he just called up the floor and he just said, you have only 5 minutes, pack up the bags and pack up everything and just leave the jail now and you are disqualified.
At that moment I expected he is going to give some severe punishment. I didn't expect that he will kick us out. But I felt like we felt very bad, like we should somehow make it to like we should come back again. We should somehow request him.
So what are the rules? What is not accessible? Pardon? The toilets are accessible? No. When are they accessible? Loud?
15 minutes.
In the outpass of 15 minutes. Right? Who wanted to go urgently? From? From what time?
2 hours.
From last 2 hours. Right? You have an outpass? Okay. They were having an outpass right from 9 o'clock. Weren't you? Okay. And I went for a round and I found that one of the team member was using the toilet facility. Right? In spite of having an outpass, you use the facility, okay, without informing me.
Sir,
You could have dropped a mail, or you could have asked him to drop a mail that I am using the outpass.
So there was no
You have broken rule even previously. Okay, it's not the first time, but this is a clear violation and injustice to others.
Sir, I will have punishment, sir. Or I will give the court, sir.
Okay, I mean, see, there is no provision of punishment here. The only provision I have is disqualification. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to collect your luggage, collect your material. Okay, and if you want, you can go to Asim and you can appeal over there. Okay, so he is the superintendent of this jail. If he allows you, then you may come back. So that's the only thing I can do. So collect your luggage, or should I ask them to bring your luggage back? You get your luggage or not?
Sir, please, sir.
5 minutes, I want your luggage out. Actually, we are very serious with our game.
Sir, I am also
Okay.
serious, but sir.
You are not serious.
Seriously, sir, serious.
No, you are not. Otherwise, you wouldn't have done this. You had an outpass. What was it for?
Sir, we had a outpass, sir, but
No arguments. Okay, collect your luggage. I am giving you 5 minutes. Or I will make that area inaccessible to you. I will ask others to get keep protocol, get the luggage. Even there is no provision for punishment. If you break the rules, you are expelled. It is clearly written in the rule document or not? Is there in the document? You have signed it? Okay. So, I want 2 volunteers to get their
sir, I will get.
laptops. Okay, go and get. Fast.
We should go, Asim, sir.
Yeah. Collect entire luggage, go to Asim and tell him this has happened, what we are supposed to do. Okay, if he says that allow you to continue with the game, I will allow you. Okay? So this is the final authority. Collect your luggage within 5 minutes. Your time starts. from the scene. Okay, now I have one outcast which is unused, okay, which was with them. Since they have left the game, it is expired. So I will give that outcast to you guys. Okay, it will be shared. They have 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll make it 16 minutes. I'll give 8 minutes of time to each. Okay, let me know when you want to use and where you want to use. Okay, anyone want to use right now? You want to use it right now? Okay, the time starts. Go. What do you want to do? One at a time, okay? Sorry, I mean, I can't do anything in this. If you have broken the rules, that's
I will take care of it.
So I broken the rules.
I take care of it.
I mean, I can't do anything in this. This is what I'm supposed to do. I go by rules. You don't follow the rules, that's your problem. I follow the rules. The rule says I must disqualify you and I'm doing that. If you don't follow the rules, I need to follow the rules.
Sir,
We are taking this seriously.
sir, I am also serious. Sir. We are also serious.
No, you are not serious. You don't tell me that you are serious.
Sir,
How much time it takes to just send one mail saying that we want to use our outcast? You are 2 members. At least one could have sent that, right?
sir, we will use our
Okay, no arguments. I don't want to listen to anything. I will only listen to you if you go to Asim and talk to him and with your comments. Only then I want to see you. Otherwise, in 5 minutes, I don't want to see you. Okay?
What
We
went?
got urgency, so went up and he was got busy in something else, so I forgot to tell him. That was the wrong. So we will try to follow Asim and we will see what happens.
We'll request Asim.
Because there was
We'll
a
try.
small mistake and which is, I mean, can be forgiven. He is right from his side.
Yeah,
We cannot argue.
because
Rules are
yeah, rules are rules. We violated the rules, but still
But there is a mistake. There is a.
we are ready to face the punishment, and we want to come back to jailbreak, and we want to play well. So that is our thing. So we are going to request Asim.
All the best.
Thanks. Thanks.
Has seen this entire packet. Okay, it was not allowed. This was for camera crew and it was not in the kitchen, so they were not allowed to take this, but they had stolen this.
We did it for fun actually. Yeah, like not because we are anti. We did it for fun.
Yeah, we did it for fun and actually we didn't need that food as well.
Antriksh, we have a situation here. I have disqualified one team because they were using the toilets without my permission. Okay, in spite they had a outpass. Okay, so they were using, so I have disqualified them. Also, they had stolen some goods which they were not allowed to their room. Okay, so they were appealing for mercy, but I have said that I can't take the decision. It's ultimate decision has to be taken by Asim, who is superintendent of this jail. So I have sent them to meet Asim. I again want to elaborate this point that in this format, discipline is to be strictly adhered, and any act which violates the discipline will be seriously dealt with, and the consequences will be immediate disqualification. And the ultimate decision has to be taken by superintendent, that is Asim. Only if he allows looking into the case and you are throughout bearing at the game, and with the concern of the other convicts, the co-participants, we can take a decision to further accommodate them in the game or totally disqualify them. Or we may think of lifetime ban also. Action could be anything. I have to discuss this with Asim and then I will come to conclusion. But as of now, their disqualification is to be maintained.
It should not have happened. They were playing good.
It's pretty unfortunate. We are also in the same condition like.
Actually, we can't say anything. Like, it was their mistake. In spite of telling so many times, they tried to act smart. That's what you can say. They tried their luck. Like, if they can cheat jailer and have pass code as well, and as well as have food, have toilet without knowing jailer. It was their bad luck that they got caught. Simple as that.
Red convicts. Convicts, come back.
Hi, old members back.
Yeah. You're back.
So, any memories refreshing?
Oh man, don't remind us about that thing.
The push-up thing for me.
I just wanted to see how the convicts are doing here.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can go take it down with Antariksh.
We'll just have a... Prisoners, convicts, they are the winners of jailbreak. And
So, what's your task?
Many things this day. Let's see.
Seems like you guys have made some progress. Right? And how you enjoying the
Yeah.
push-up and stuff?
Now, has become really easy. Push-ups.
Okay.
You are missing somebody else.
So, this time, you are enjoying it. You have an experience.
Yeah, experience plus good little knowledge
You-
from
you-
last year.
so that's it.
Yeah.
They got free from the jail last time and you're still in the jail.
No, it's okay. This is second day I got convicted.
So you're found up doing crimes.
Yeah.
Criminal.
So, how's the feeling coming back to the cell?
Nostalgic.
Nostalgic?
Exactly.
It was horrible or it was
It was
enjoyable?
It was horrible, but when you think about it right now,
After.
it was very helpful.
Helpful?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like time management. It was like,
Okay. So, want to come back again next year with Red Bull?
yeah, hopefully.
Okay.
So Darshit, the convict, is saying the task and physical exercise is very easy for him. So let's torture them in the night.
We'll up the level. So, the next. Okay.
Okay, Ram. Bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye. Good luck, guys.
Bye, Antariksh.
Bye. Ram.